This is my 1/64th lineup. They're a strange scales, not a lot of detail on them, but I have a few. Not a real big fan of this scale. It's a Cat D9 by Shinsei Mint. It's kind of a neat one. I built a little cab for it, but that's got to be glued down. Probably will never happen. It's got the original cat logos, caterpillar across the back, mesh screen. Got a 950 loader back there. Twin 648Es. Those are quite old, 15 years old I think. But that's not what I was going to show. I only brought them out because they go with these two trucks I got a few months ago. A nice Western Star. Red one. It's also 1/64th scale. It's all metal, it's heavy, it rolls really nice. Even on the rack, it's got the shovel and the axe. The bunks swivel. The bunks turn. It's got a little fiber. Well, the other one has fiber mud flaps. Rolls quite nice and smooth. And I got a set of them. They're very expensive. This one the trailer is a little nicer on. Sort of like a midliner Peterbilt. It's actually a smaller truck than you'd ever see around here logging. It's not the full size one. Unless I'm missing something, but compared to the Western Star, it is a smaller truck. It has good detail. It's got the little mud flaps. Bunks swivel. They're all metal, it's all brass. And the rack is all metal. Very well built. I think I paid $65 each for them. I have no idea what brand they are. They have no name underneath them. But had to have them when I saw them.